We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a brand new 2024 Ford Puma hybrid. As you see, it's only got 12 miles on it, protected with a Halo Mini. So this customer wanted his vehicle to be secure if someone copied the key. There's been a lot of thefts on his road, so if we try and start the car, we've got the key in our pocket, it's just not starting up. So what we have to do when we get in the car, turn the ignition on, pop our code in, we have down, down, up, up. We get a flash from the hazard lights, and now we can start the vehicle, and it runs. As soon as we exit the vehicle, the system becomes active. So if a thief grabbed the keys when you pulled up at home, your vehicle is just simply not going to start without a code. We also get asked the question, what happens if you leave the vehicle? So you have the door open, you're getting something out, you leave the vehicle, your door's already open. As soon as we turn the ignition off, we get the flash and it's armed instantly. This is the Halo Mini on a 2024 hybrid Ford Puma. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.